I'm Bertazzo, and I've been on a journey visiting industry champions to learn more about their drive and purpose in Australian manufacturing. Have a listen to what they've got to say. Today, I'm at Grainline, meeting with their General Manager, Andrew Stead. Andrew talks to us about collaboration and what it means to be running a fourth generation family business. Andrew, give us a bit of a story about how you've arrived at this point to build such a fantastic business like Grainline.
As a family, we've been passionate about the agriculture market. We're in a fourth generation business, specialising in the grain handling. It's a key part of getting the product from the paddock to the mills.
What's driven you and your father and your team here to come up with the products that you have now?
Yeah, well, the key is listening to the feedback of the customers to meet their needs in the field. Our product is developed through customer feedback. Being in manufacturing, we've got full control over what we produce and can quickly refine, adjust and develop to meet the needs that are presented to us.
See, that's one of those fantastic things about Australian manufacturing really, is our agility to change.
I guess what we do is provide the customer options with what he does with his grain. Providing grain handling equipment, he can store his grain on site, he can sell it when he wishes to, and developing into the bunker augers gives him that ability to store large amounts of grain efficiently on farm. He's not tied to another organisation in how he wishes to market.
What about yourself personally? Where do you see where Grainline's heading and where your side of the industry has got to go to?
Well, we've got a big opportunity to meet an ongoing demand. The more we can do in working together, building off each other, networking, collaborating together to generate a greater opportunity is key. The old saying, together we are stronger, is true. The synergies of being able to work together, you get a stronger result than what accumulation of individuals working together.
Oh, and that's exactly right.
There's more talent than what we give credit for what's in Australia.
We're really good at it, aren't we?
Yeah, we have too much fear about what we haven't got over against utilising what we can actually pick up and run with. We can be very good at what we do, but we're not good at everything. So in building a product going forward, outsourcing to utilise technology and expertise in other businesses to then bring in those components to support what we're good at in putting the augers together and getting them to market.
What happens at harvest time?
The service part of the supply chain is critical. Their workload is very seasonal and critical in the peak season when they're in the paddock harvesting. They need their equipment to keep the flow of the grain from the paddock through to the storage facilities, and they can't afford a breakdown.
You touched before, Andrew, on the fact that you build something and then it can be passed on.
Well, that's a great advantage of in manufacturing. You're building a product that you can put your name on it and you put it out in the field, support it, and it builds trust, and that gives you a name that you can pass on.
It secures that future.
For myself, when we're in a fourth generation business, there's a responsibility to carry it forward, but there's a pride in it to be able to continue the journey and take it to the next level for the next generation.